In this video, I'll be teaching you 8 common colors in French language, 3 rules to bear in mind when you're using the French colors, and an original song that I wrote specifically for this lesson. Let's go! Hello, FeyiFrench here, and like we already know, this channel is all about learning French with ease. Do subscribe to this channel while you're here, and don't forget to turn on notifications too, so that you're made aware whenever a new video is released in this space. This is lesson number 5 in the French from Scratch series with FeyiFrench, so feel free to go back and watch any previous videos you might have missed. Now let's look at the colors. Bleu. Can you say that? Bleu. Good, that's masculine. And the feminine, we add an E, but the sound remains the same. Bleu. Can you say that? Bleu. Good, that's color blue. Why do we have masculine and feminine colors though? Don't worry, I'm going to clear that up for you shortly. Just follow along. Rose. Rose. Good. Masculine, feminine, no change. Rose, rose. That's pink. Jaune. Can we say that? Jaune. Good. Masculine, feminine, no change. Jaune. That's yellow. Jaune. Rouge. Can we say that? Rouge. Good. Masculine, feminine, no change. Rouge, rouge. Good. That's red. Blanc. Can we say that? Blanc. Good. And that's white, masculine. Blanche. Can we say that? Blanche. Good. That's white and the feminine. Blanc, blanche. Blanc, blanche. Good. Noir. Can we say that? Noir. Good. That's masculine for black. The same pronunciation as the feminine. An extra E in the feminine. Noir, noir. Can we say that? Noir, noir. Good. That's black. Vert. Can we say that? Vert. Good. That's green, and that's masculine. Verte. Verte. Good. That's green, and that's feminine. So in the masculine, the T is silent. In the feminine, we stress the T. Vert, verte. Good. Orange. Can we say that? Orange. Good. Masculine, feminine, no change. Orange, orange. Good. So why do we have masculine and feminine colors in the French language? Well, the thing is, colors are describers. They qualify or tell us more about nouns. Now, words that qualify nouns are called adjectives. That means that colors are adjectives. Now, the rule in French is that adjectives must always agree in gender and in number with the nouns they qualify. So, colors being adjectives would also agree in gender and in number with the nouns they qualify. There are a few exceptions to this rule though, like orange for orange and marron for brown. So that's rule number 1. Colors generally agree in gender and in number with the nouns they qualify. If the gender thing isn't very clear to us, I want us to note that in the French language, all nouns are classified based on gender. So the ruler, the wall, the television, the hospital, all of these have genders in French. So gender for nouns in French isn't a matter of living or non-living things. Now let's take a computer for example. The word for computer in French is ordinateur. Ordinateur. Ordinateur is a masculine word, so to say a computer, we have un ordinateur. Un ordinateur. Can we say that? Un ordinateur. Good. Now the second rule is that unlike in the English language, French colors go after the nouns they are describing. So to say a black computer, we have un ordinateur noir, literally a computer black, and not un noir ordinateur. So can we say that? Un ordinateur noir. Good. A black computer. Now look at another example. Une chaise noire. Can we say that? une chaise noire. So you notice here that we do not use un, but we use une. Une because chaise is a feminine word, and then noir written in the feminine with an extra e in agreement with the feminine noun chaise, which it is qualifying. Une chaise noire. Good. Now the rule number 3 governing our use of the French colors is that whenever we have the adjectives clair, meaning light, and foncé, meaning dark, attached to any color, that color no longer agrees in gender any number with the noun it is qualifying. It is said to be invariable. Now let's illustrate this rule with an example. J'aime les chaussures vert foncé et les chaussettes vert clair. Can you say that? Good. J'aime les chaussures vert foncé et les chaussettes vert clair. We notice here that we have vert foncé, dark green, and vert clair, light green. Chaussure is in the plural, but vert foncé doesn't take an S. Chaussette is in the plural, but vert clair doesn't take an extra S. So this is showing us that whenever we have foncé or clair attached to the color, it becomes invariable. Let us consider a few more examples. Repeat after me. J'ai un stylo bleu et une gomme bleue. Can you say that? J'ai un stylo bleu et une gomme bleue. Good. That means I have a blue pen and a blue eraser. So you see, pen blue, eraser blue, literally. Blue pen, blue eraser. J'ai un t-shirt rose et une jupe rose. Can you say that? J'ai un t-shirt rose et une jupe rose. Good. I have a pink t-shirt and a pink skirt. J'ai beaucoup de robes jaunes. Can you say that? J'ai beaucoup de robes jaunes. Good. I have many yellow dresses. So you see here, the yellow, jaune, takes on an S because we're talking about many dresses. Les tomates et les fraises sont rouges. Can we say that? Les tomates et les fraises sont rouges. Good. Tomatoes and strawberries are red. So we see here that the rouge takes on an S, indicating that it is qualifying more than one noun. J'ai une chemise blanche et un pantalon blanc. Can you say that? J'ai une chemise blanche et un pantalon blanc. Good. I have a white shirt and white pants. So we see the shirt is feminine, we use blanche, the feminine white. Trouser is masculine, so we use blond, the masculine white. J'ai vu des fleurs orange. Can you say that? J'ai vu des fleurs orange. Good. I saw some orange flowers. So we see here that even as we have the plural noun flowers, our color orange remains invariable. That's one of the exceptions to the first rule, if you remember. At the beginning of this lesson, I promised I was going to teach us a song to help us remember the colors. Are you ready for the song? Enjoy it.
yellow is jaune, red, rouge, white, blanc, black is noir, and vert is green, orange, orange.
Now to the question of the day. Write down the colors that you hear. Number 1, verte. Number 2, rouge. Number 3, rose. Number 4, blanc. Number 5, jaune. Drop your answers in the comment section. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, and feel free to drop any comment you might have for me down below. See you in the next video. For now, it is au revoir. Ciao.